Ito na yung pinakamahal na puzzle piece natin. This is the award-winning Arquitecto by NKD. Gawa siya sa France and it is made of 901 puzzle parts and pieces. And this is made of wood, metal, and some plastic parts. Para mabuksan mo yung puzzle box na to, kailangan ma-solve mo yung all 6 sides niya. Inabot ng 116 movements para mabuksan mo yung pinaka-compartment. Very detailed yung puzzle box na to. Sa side na to, may makikita kang plant and meron kang figures dyan. On this side, meron kang makikitang miniature houses. Ang lamppost here, may puno. And look at this, meron pang anggraban. Pinaka-gusto kong detail dito is if you flip this switch, meron siyang ilaw. Meron siyang maliit na lamppost dito na may ilaw. Dito merong light sa harap ng bahay. Dito sa loob meron ring ilaw. And marami pa yang ilaw all throughout the puzzle. At ang presyo ng puzzle box na to ay yun lang.